A windshield has just left the factory. It has never met rain, never caught a single ray of sunlight, never been installed on any car. And yet, right along its edge, one detail is already there. A solid black band followed by thousands of shrinking dots, fading into the clear glass. You may have seen them while sitting in a taxi riding in the family car, or glancing up at the edge of the windshield while stopped. They look like decoration, or the ink marks of a printer running low. But if they are only there for beauty, why does almost every car have them? And if the black band already hides the edge of the glass, why must it break apart into countless tiny dots? The answer begins when a windshield stops being just a windshield. Welcome to Everyday Things Explained. Map legend. The truth is, they are not stickers. In the automotive industry, this is the Frit band, a black ceramic layer fired directly into the glass. The outer solid black band marks the point where the glass meets the vehicle frame. The fading dots mark the thermal transition zone. The cluster of dots at the top solves a different problem. These three boundary zones may look alike, but they do not perform the same task. So here is the question. Why does the same black marking appear in three locations for three different vital purposes? The transformation. In the 20th century, windshields were held in place by rubber gaskets. As cars traveled faster, the windshield had to become a strong structural component and a support point for the airbag as it deployed. The windshield was upgraded into multi-layer, laminated glass, made of two sheets of glass, pressed tightly around a flexible PVB plastic core. According to Seeker, polyurethane bonded glazing technology was adopted by European automakers for vehicles exported to the United States from 1963 to 1976, and the Audi 100, in 1976, marked the first large-scale application across the entire European market. The black dots did not appear because cars needed to look better, but because the way glass was secured to the car had changed. The ultraviolet shield. The greatest safety role lies in the solid black band. The polyurethane adhesive must endure blazing heat and constant vibration. The chemical corporation Seeker states one principle. The polyurethane adhesive bond must be completely protected from ultraviolet rays. The black frit band acts like a sturdy awning blocking ultraviolet rays before sunlight degrades the adhesive, causes it to rot, and lets it come loose on the highway. It also hides the untidy line of adhesive from view. The art of bending glass. If the black border protects the adhesive so well, why are thousands of tiny dots still needed? The answer lies in the glass bending process. A windshield must be heated in a furnace so it can be curved into an aerodynamic shape. The black frit zone absorbs heat and becomes extremely hot extremely quickly. If the temperature transition is too abrupt, the glass can warp, creating a lens effect that distorts road markings, or it can crack. Those fading dots are a halftone pattern. They create a smooth thermal transition zone, allowing the glass to bend while remaining perfectly clear. The smart generation. The third cluster of dots, behind the rear-view mirror, is called the third visor frit, originally created only to block glare. But today, it shelters the entire system of cameras, rain sensors, and driver assistance radar (ADAS). Glassmaker Pilkington notes, after a new windshield is installed, this system must be recalibrated with specialized computer equipment at the workshop. Automotive glass has now truly become the vehicle's second eyes. The safety puzzle piece. Those black dots are not decorative patterns added for beauty. They are the visible part of a system made of heat, materials, adhesive, and the history of safety. The next time you ride in a taxi or the family car, look up at the edge of the windshield. You are looking at the place where an ordinary sheet of glass becomes part of the vehicle itself. Not bad for a pattern that looks like a printer running out of ink. So why does side window glass break into tiny pellets? while a windshield cracks like a spider web? That answer awaits in the videos ahead. But for now, if you enjoyed this knowledge, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Everyday Things Explained. See you in the next episode.